should be f type pass by value. So I'm just using value the in Eclipse guys. If you want value followed by just is just in Eclipse, if you are creating means it is just like a creating your local class guys, but it creates globally guys. Even though you're writing looking like a local, but it creates a globally. Okay, now saving it and activating it, saving it and activating this. Now your first AMDP is ready guys. First AMDP is ready. Now see here, I'm going to create a program for this. Now this particular AMDP method I'm going to consume as a part of my ABAP program. It's a regular way guys, how you do it. Okay, so now I'm going to create. Now first before that I'll show you in SC24 the name. This is the class which is created as a backend. Okay, so simply click on display. See here, this is the click. So interfaces, that is nothing but which you inherited. Okay, this is an interface which is been inherited, and the methods which you specified here, this when you double click on it, this is a part of the method code of this particular method. Okay, when you try to change it, okay, display to change, see here it doesn't accept. Okay, class interface AMDP is contains stored procedure, cannot be changed in SAP GUI. Okay, even though it's a class and method which can be used using SC24, but you cannot refer, you cannot change using SC24 guys. Okay, this automatically came guys, it doesn't matter. Okay, so that is the reason, as I said, it is used only, it can be changed or created using Eclipse. It can have regular methods also. This now, this is one of the method. It is, this method is an HDB language. This is an AMDP method. You can have regular one more method which is non-AMDP method. Here it will not have by database procedure all this. Even such cases, that method also cannot be changed using SC24 because the class itself an AMDP class. It doesn't change. Okay, based on method it will not different. That's the reason, as a best practice, we will not include regular methods as a part of AMDP classes guys. Just for interview purpose I said this statement. Can an AMDP class can have a AMDP methods and AMDP methods? Yes, but it is not a recommended way. But it's not a recommended way. Okay, fine. It doesn't impact on your any business functionality or anything, but technically it should. It is not a proceed. It is not way of doing it. Okay, now I'm just going with an ABAP program. Just I'll use this particular class. Oh, what happened? Is somebody connected, guys? Okay, so now I'm just going to use it, copy. Okay, now I'm going to use a class of that. Okay, I know what is the name method type guys in the class. It's an instance method, not a static. So it's an instant method. If you want it's in static method also you can use it guys. The syntax for static method is you can use class methods. Class, just for example I'm just using class hyphen method. If you specify class hyphen method, that becomes a static method. But now in my case I used a methods. Okay, it's an instance method, so I cannot access directly method of the class. First I need to create an instance. From the instance I need to access the method. So now this is a instance method. So I'm going to here. I'm using a complete new syntax. Data of followed by a class. Okay, this is the name of the class. Okay, data of order, some name of the order info. Okay, should be equal to new name of the class z. AMDP underscore 01. Okay, name of the class. That's it. Okay, creating an instance, guys. No need to add create object. That all things are nothing required. Now, this is an instance which already gets into this particular thing. Okay, now I'm going to use reference order info hyphen followed by I need to specify method name get orders. Okay, get orders. Specify exporting parameters. Exporting followed by what are the parameters? IM underscore order type. Order type should be equal to P underscore AU ART, which is of my select options, and followed by importing EX underscore orders. Okay, should be equal to, I didn't declare internal table, I'll declare data of my own orders. Local dynamically I'm declaring. I have flexibility in the object oriented. That's it, guys. Now simply I can use CL underscore demo output display followed by orders. And use this as orders. That's it, guys. Saving it. Now activate. That's it. Okay, now I'm executing this. The same result you'll get it. Doesn't matter. That's it, guys. So we just use as a part of this ABAP manage. Now just I'm placing a breakpoint here, executing it. As a first step, it will create an instance. Oh, just a minute. Okay, as a first step, it creates an instance. Okay, now this is this first initial, double click it. It got an instance of AMDP class, guys. Now once I click on F4, it goes inside, guys. See here, you can debug it, guys. F5, okay, you can debug these particular things. In the Eclipse, you can place a breakpoint and you can debug it. That is the advantage of compared to the CDS. Okay, CDS is a regular select, whereas in AMDP it's in method followed by select, so you can still debug it. Any questions on this till this point? Any questions on first AMDP case?
Questions on this?
Sorry.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, so likewise you can create n number of things, guys. Okay, so you can, as a part of regular AMDPs, you can use multiple tables, joins. How to you can, means you cannot do loops, all these things, but you can achieve, instead of loop you can use select on internal table, guys. For example, this is one internal table. Again, on this internal table I can do a select in this AMDPs, guys. That all we'll see as a part of next class, guys. For today, let's close it, because if I start it, it takes another 20 to 30 minutes, guys. Okay, so let's wind up for today. We'll continue from Monday on next AMDPs things. So AMDPs has very simple concept. It's nothing more, guys. It will be done fastly, but only thing is you need to know what are the options which are there. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
So let's connect on Monday, guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you.